this is what I do. Like whenever I'm ready to run new ads, all I'm doing is I'm going through my stuff, right? Oh shit. Well, already look, 9 comments on this. And this is 1 hour ago, and I haven't boosted it yet. I was on these calls, right? So already I know, what do you think I'm gonna do with this? Already 9 comments. I'm gonna skip boosting. I don't need to boost it. I already know this is a highly engaged audience. I'm gonna go and move this to my boosted post. Make sense? And then I'm gonna go here and I'm like, well, I boosted this. We'll see how many video views I got here. This one, I boosted it and I'm like, okay, cool. I got 30. Let's see, this was a 5-minute 47 video. I'm probably gonna test this in my tier 2 power content. Let's see this one. I might run this. I got 24 comments. People are like, it's a great lifestyle post. I spoke at a business event in Tulum. I might run that on the conveyor belt just as a lifestyle. I'm on the city council. I'm definitely not going to run that as an ad. That's just a local. But you can see people yelling at me for wanting to install water meters in our town. This one's a great one. I'm actually going to run this as an ad for my $7 program. This one got really good engagement. You could see I didn't boost it because it'll always say boost again. But yeah, look, you should join my $7 a month program. So I'm probably going to copy this entire thing and throw this inside my green light sequence. Actually, here, I'll show you guys how I do that. So I'm gonna copy this. It doesn't have a picture, but what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go to my latest green light sequence fall. I'm gonna duplicate. I'm not gonna apply recommendations because I never do. I'm gonna duplicate. Don't have to change anything about my audience. It's about the Andromeda. I don't even know how to freaking say the shit. That's how much I don't give a shit about it. I'm going to create the ad from scratch because I can't pull it in from my personal profile. I'm going to put my website, www.adcoaching47.com. I don't want any of those browser add-ons. I'm going to set up the creative. We'll do an image ad. I'll find something fun. And all I'm going to do is I'll just, let's see what images have I posted on my Instagram. That would be fun. What would be something fun?
Laurel, the targeting
Yeah.
on these guys are 95% of any of your videos you watched or just to the offer, right?
Yeah, 95% of my power content
Cool.
videos.
And that's 25% for most of us because of audience size, right? Like you said
Correct.
earlier.
Yeah, great question. Yeah.
I have a bunch of these posts that have done really well on my Facebook profile, um, but I'm not running any ads to them like this. So, but you told me that yesterday, huh? Go find them. I can just go grab them all, right? Okay.
Yeah.
All right.
Let's see. I'll just do something. What's fun? I don't know. What do you guys? You know what? People love dogs. Has nothing to do with the post. I'm just gonna go and I'm just gonna create some. Oops. Do, 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 do. You guys see how I'm just moving? Like I'm just like, cool, that did good organically. I just grabbed it. Already pitched the $7 program in it.
How do you decide when something pops off organically? I asked this in the chat, but how do you decide which stage of the ecosystem you're going to put it in? Like, how do you decide if it's going to?
Usually it's whatever I do. So in this one, I specifically mentioned the $7 program. So it makes sense for me to use it as a green light sequence ad. Um, but you guys see, like I just have fun. Like, I'm like, oh, this did really well. And I just picked a random picture of me and my dog. It's my warm audience too, guys. Like, remember, I don't run $7 ads. And now that's by design, because I want to induct, and I was actually talking about this at Eli's event as I was presenting. I was telling people I used to run ads to cold traffic for my $7 program, but people sometimes get put off at how direct I am. And so I'm like, you know what? I'm going to show people how direct I am through my ads. And so people know exactly what they're buying when they buy it, so that whenever they come into the $7 program, they're not surprised at the fact that I say fuck and I'm hard on my students. They already know, right? Have like my sales gone down? Absolutely. But the quality of my $7 program right now is really good. Like, I'm really happy with the quality. And that's all that matters to me, because Suzanne and Christina aren't like bogged down with stupid like support tickets and stuff. But yeah, and I'm just gonna hit publish.
So is this a DM ad? They're gonna DM you instead of comment, right?
No, remember, I put the link to the
Okay,
green
cool.
light sequence.
Okay, cool.
Yep.
Buy it, baby, buy it.
Yeah, let's see. Yeah, look, it looks like, see, it's got the button. So now when y'all see it, y'all can comment on it.
I have a page like this for a $37 offer, but no opt-in. Do you think that'd be do you have to track pixel and stuff on that?
Huh?
Do you still have your pixel on that for purchases? That page?
But I don't
Because
have the
I
API connected, so it's probably
okay.
useless.
Okay, cool. Because that's what I have a checkout page, but I haven't put anything on that checkout page for this $37 product. But I haven't done much promoting. I have posts that did really well.
Yeah, like basically, I mean, like it kind of goes back to what Emily was asking me, right? Like, how do I decide which part of the ecosystem I put it? Well, if it's a two-step, I'm going to use it in the fast funnel. If it's a power content video, I'm going to use it in the power content campaign. If it's a written post that connects to my $7 program, I'm going to use it in the green light sequence. So you can see how I'm using the conveyor belt as a testing ground to see what type of content's going to pop off in different places, right? And so that's why I was telling Eddie on the other call, I'm like, just go back to all of your organic content. You guys saw how I just went and grabbed something and I'm like, let's see if it works, right? That's all I do. Like, I don't know whether an ad's going to convert any more than you do.